Yeah, but it's not gonna come back.
Say!
No. Oh, you can't.
Let's have some fun, or at least try to, no matter what.
Are you recording me? Will you?
Fail.
Foul.
Uno, fail. You know, airplanes are kind of just like paper airplanes. You have to give it thrust for it to actually work.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh,
Those fail.
I had it, but I slipped off my thumb. Stop laughing, Rhonda.
Those fail. It was a don't fail. Let's see if you get a trace fail.
Yeah,
I bet you it's just gonna go.
This is
Dead.
not so much of a drift, it's more like a dart.
Yeah.
Lawn dart.
Oh,
Yep.
thanks, Rhonda.
Here comes the gorilla.
Mom, what does that look like?
A bird.
I'm gonna give it some up with a.
What does that one look like?
Another bird.
What does that look like? The bird's neck?
Yep.
You know that looks like an airplane with, no, that looks like a controller with wings, like the airplane wings, or just like a really like cool jet thing.
Look at it coming!
Ready?
Look up. It's a W
Ready.
for Weaver. Look, it's a W for Weaver. Let's go. Let's go, Dad.
Let's go, Dad!
Don't get a trace fail. Come on. Yes. It was trace.
Yeah, but it's not gonna come back.
It is. If it can actually see it.
But if it drops all the way and it breaks on my head.
It will break on your head if it hits your head.
Oh no, it's not.
Coming back. Swing back. Oh, I'm so sorry, Mom. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What does that one look like?
That kind of looks like a bird. Like a pterodactyl. Like that one. Do you mean that one?
No, the one that looks like a cow.
Oh, the one that looks like a cow? Which one is white on it? Oh, this one?
Yeah.
This big boy?
Yeah.
With those things? With the...
Oh! No! Look,
Evan. Evan.
hey!
Hey, touch.
Ow!
Oh. No, touch. No, go.
Ooh, yay!
Okay, no, even though I do it. Stop. Up. Now I
Long
have
dart
1
in
point.
my hands. All right.
Another point.
So my thoughts are, yes,
Another point.
it is a dart, not a drift. But you can see that if you do hold back on the throttle and you're trying to bleed off your altitude, you can slowly drift. And with this set of trees still here and this set of trees still here, which my property, I will take them out, it was a little bit difficult. But what was nice about this drift is, as you saw, is that, you know, I was able to let off the elevator and get some air onto the ailerons and then curve it over. That's one of the funnest things to me about the right CG on something, is when you have it correct, maybe even overcorrect, and you hold it back, which is what I was doing to really bleed off that speed, because it took me 2 times around to land it, is that it's not going to stall on you. So this model you saw didn't stall. It turns out that the forward, I'll capture this on video for myself, the forward button on this, whatever that is, right, for this model, you face it up a little bit, you're like at my balls. Well, aren't you? No? It looks like it was facing down. She thinks I'm out there. It's okay. So yeah, that is the return to home. And at one point it did save me, because I flipped it to no control, no stabilization. Stabilization is back. No stabilization was in the middle, and I could not fly it. Under no stabilization. I'm not used to it yet, and I wasn't very comfortable in my goggles with this model yet. This is the first time I've FPV'd in this area. I had a nice land marker with this set of trees. And then I have this house and their asphalt. I had the sun for a little while.
Yeah, but it's not gonna come back. Yeah, but it's not gonna come back. Yeah, but it's not gonna come back. Yeah, but it's not gonna come back.
Yep, it's recording.